everyone, today I got to visit one of the most iconic landmarks in the United States, the Capitol building in Washington DC, the heart of American democracy. The Capitol is where US Congress meets and where some of the country's most important decisions are made. It's also a building rich in history, symbolism, and stunning architecture. From the outside, the Capitol is impressive with its grand neoclassical design and the massive dome that's instantly recognizable. As I walked up to it, the first thing that struck me was the Statue of Freedom on the top of the dome. Standing over 19 feet tall, this statue represents the idol of freedom, one of the great principles that the US was founded on. While we couldn't go inside this time, just being outside the Capitol was an experience in itself. The Capitol grounds are beautifully maintained with gardens, fountains, and statues that add to beauty of the setting. I spent some time walking around, taking in view and reflecting on the importance of this place. Being here reminded me of the values of the Capitol stands for freedom, democracy, and the hard work that goes into upholding those ideals.
It tells you how many miles it has. Another great thing about the Capitol is its location. It's right along the National Mall, so you can see other important monuments and buildings nearby. It really gives you a sense of how everything in DC is connected, from the Capitol to Washington Monument and all the way to the Lincoln Memorial. If you're planning to visit Washington DC, I highly recommend stopping by the Capitol building. Even from the outside, it's awe-inspiring sight and it's a place that truly represents the spirit of the United States. Thanks for joining me on this little tour of the Capitol.